I think India's one concept, secular, is wonderful. Religion is personal matter. So long we are a human being, we need karuna. Whether believer or non-believer, believe this religion, that's a personal matter. But as a human being, as an Indian, you have 1,000 years the concept of karuna. Therefore, human being, our life start with karuna. Mother, take care. At the time of dying, if you surrounded by people who show karuna, you feel much happier. So karuna is whole our life, the key factor to bring inner peace. So that's India's tradition. So I have one sort of concept or feeling. When I go to Delhi, I want to meet some professors of some university in Delhi or in Indian modern education. The subject karuna should include. Not as a religious matter, but a human quality in order to bring inner peace.
It's a human religion.
So that's I am thinking. So anyway, you see, you Indian have the ability to combine ancient Indian thought, karuna, combined with modern education.